Enjoy and shower us with love.
And share this night under the stars above.
Team C,
Yuki,
Team Kaisetsu, blast off at the speed of light.
surrender now or prepare to fight.
That's right.
I don't care if she is a lady. I'll knock that cynical sneer off her face.
Are you challenging me? You've got guts if nothing else. Let's take this outside, kid. One of the legendary Sunny taking on a brattle in the Genin. I ought to be ashamed of myself.
Who you calling bratty?
You see this? One finger is all I need to take you down. Well, what are you waiting for, kid?
Don't ever underestimate me.
Effective for me. I'll show her. She's good.
Hey kid, one question before you pass out. Tell me, what makes you so touchy about Hokage?
It's because unlike you, that's my goal. Just watch. Someday I'll be Hokage. Remember this. To be Hokage. That is my dream.
There's a way I can beat her head on. Now's the time for me to use that jutsu.
Thank you so much, Team Kaisetsu. That was an amazing performance.
World Cosplay India Films Qualifier. Give it up for Kaisetsu!